Alright guys, so here we are out on the lake. We're gonna do a little overnight out here. 24 hours on the ice, alone, solo. And I brought the big Otter flip over shack, my jet sled on the back with all my fishing gear. So it's pretty nice out right now. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning. I didn't get out here very early. I'm not too worried about it. It's more of a night bite thing for me anyways out here, I think. I'm gonna go drill some traps around. I kind of scouted this area the other day on my bike when I did the last video. Go drill some traps for some bass maybe. We could get a potential salmon, brook trout, or brown trout. Probably, I'm gonna say it's probably not gonna happen, but it has happened. I've caught them here before. They are in this lake, although most of them are down in the southern basin of this lake. But we're definitely gonna catch pickerel, probably some bass, probably some crappie, white perch, yellow perch, maybe sunfish. I don't know. It's pretty much anything goes in here. And we're gonna camp out on the ice overnight. I'll show you my setup. We'll fish into the night, cook some dinner, have some fun. Let's go. Come on, this guy right here. Still got trout line on here, which is not ideal, but it'll make it for a fun little fight if I do catch one. Whoa! Just had a fish take that one. Oh, here we go. He's got it. Oh, I pulled it right out of his mouth. I might have broke off. Yep, I completely broke off. Wow. I guess I'll upgrade my line right now. Okay. So, figured I'd show you this guy's now. It's kind of funny. Actually, it's really funny. But I went on Amazon the other day and I was like, well, let's see what I can find for the cheapest ice fishing trap on Amazon. And I'll just try catching some fish on it. And I found one for like $3, like $3 or $4 or something stupid like that. I bought it. It took forever to get here. I accidentally opened it off camera because I didn't even know what it was when it came. It was in such a small package. But so I bought this ice fishing trap. I was gonna do a whole video on it. I'm not gonna do it anymore, but I thought it might be kind of funny to try to fish with it today and see if we can catch a fish or two on it. But check this out, guys. It came in this bag right here. This is it. That's the trap. And there it is. That's your ice fishing trap right there. Look how crappy this thing is, guys. I don't even know, like, look at that. It won't even, almost won't even fit on the hole there. When I ordered this thing, I thought it was like, you know, the size of like a polar tip-up, like a nice longer size trap. Turns out it barely fits over an 8-inch hole here. I'll link it down in the description below so you guys can look at it, but please don't buy this. This thing sucks so bad. It's not good. It's just kind of funny. That should work. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about my Otter flip over shack here. This is the biggest one they make. This is the Resort xover. I get a lot of questions asking how easy is it for one person to set up. And the answer is, it's not easy, but you can do it. It doesn't take very long. I'll show you guys how to do it in a second. Let me go grab this flag, see if we got a fish on there. On the big bait too. Let's see what we got. Got it. Got him. Ooh. Okay. Decent fight. Look how big head shakes. Big bass. Here we go. Not a bad one. Nice bass, guys. We'll get him right back. I'm sure there'll be more. Oh no! Build little traps up. Oh no! Oh no, dude. Got him. Oh, I got it. Pickerel. Oh man, that's funny. Oh, well, I guess they work. You can catch fish with them. Oh man, well, we caught a fish on it in about, I don't know, 10 minutes of setting it or less. That's pretty cool. Everything's down. Let's get this shack put up. I'll show you guys how quick it takes for one person. It's a little bit slower with one person because it's so big. It's kind of binds a little bit on the edges. So what I like to do is to do these the very end first. Have these locked out. These sometimes the hardest to get, like that. And then we just flip it over and do one at a time here. So it locks. Told you guys I got so much crap in here that kind of holding everything down. Lock it out. Lock it out. And just like that, it's done. Now the cool thing about this shack is that you can pull these out and hook them down on the floor. Which makes it so you can use your side doors. Just like that. Not too bad, couple minutes. So one thing that I did with this shack, and I might put another one or two on the back here, but I put these big grommets in here. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but I put these big grommets in here. It didn't come with any. But if I'm going to be camping in it, I want those so I can stake the front down. As you can see, the wind can get under that. And there are braces that we'll put on the inside. I'll show you that in a minute. There's a couple various sizes here they give you. They give you way more than this. They give you like 2 for each support, but I only bring one. I just put them right in the center here. Just like that. You can see how that's up there, supporting the roof, and will keep it from flipping as well. So I'll put the floor down now. What I have for a floor in here, I don't always use this, but I will if I'm going to be camping. It's this exercise mat that you can get right at your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever has it. And I've cut these out and numbered them, so it takes a couple minutes to get them in place, but when they are done, they're a perfect fit. So I've measured these, and it'll take me just a minute to get it all situated, but just wait and you'll see. So you guys can see that floor now. All that stuff will get kind of melted there throughout the day. I'm gonna go shovel in the edges here and secure this thing. It's toasty warm tonight. So I expect the fishing to be a little bit slow for a while here in the morning. So I might as well set up my sleeping setup here and get everything hooked up and ready to go for the night. I'll link everything down in the description below that I use to camp with out here, so you guys can find it if you want to do this yourself. Because this tub is so tall, I have to have a cot that's a little bit higher up off the ground. I'll link it down in the description below. It's a little bit bigger. I'm a taller guy, so it's longer and wider, but it's works pretty good. Gotta have one of these if you're camping with a buddy heater. Just do it. Alright guys, well, we are all set up. And I don't really have to do anything else before the end of the night here. It's, once again, a bright Bluebird Zero clouds in the sky day. It's never really that great for ice fishing, I've found. Tonight, when the sun goes down, we should get a bunch of action, so. So, I was just sitting here, I turned the flasher on. Just kind of sitting here getting comfortable. And I noticed there's some fish sort of suspended down there, so I'm gonna see what they are. Okay, finally caught one of these things. Oh, it's a little sunfish. That's what's down there, little sunnies. Gotta be a perch down there. Pickerel. Let's just say it's a pickerel. Or a trout. Oh, it's a big... Oh, it's a crappie. I was completely wrong with that. I mean... What in the heck? Okay. We gotta come over here and jig for some crappie real quick. So there's a little school of crappie right here that I kind of just found by that trap right there and there. There we go. That one's a little better. If I didn't bring so much food out here, I probably would keep a couple of these and eat them, but not too bad. They won't eat it unless there's bait on it. Yep, little one. Well, the sun's getting low here and we're starting to get a little action on the traps finally. Got it. Didn't take much line. Huh. Another bass, smaller one this time. Look at that J curl right in the sunset. Sick. Oh yeah, it's going. I think this is probably a big bass. I don't know about big, but I think it's a bass. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's got some weight to it. Uh-oh. No. Wrapped me in the weeds a little bit. There we go. Oh no. Did it come off? Nope. Stop it. Stop. There we go. Yeah, sunset bass. Let there be light. How you like that? Huh? Huh? If you guys haven't seen the video where I built a little battery box for the back of my truck, I'll put it right up here. You guys can click on that and go check out. That's what I'm using to run my lights off my shack. I'm charging my cell phone. I'm charging my camera batteries. It's the same build as the one as my truck, but it's a 40 amp hour battery instead of a 10 amp hour. Same thing in the plastic ammo can with the switches. It works awesome. I can, it'll last probably weeks out here if I wanted to keep using it. Oh, this one's decent. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Look at that white perch, guys. Look at that, guys. Nice little white perch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Crappie. Not a bad one. Come on, buddy. Get over here. Look at that. That ain't bad. Ho-ho! Alright guys. I got my little solar lights out. So I can see around the shack here, but pretty nice night. No wind at all yet anyways. Pretty sweet. Sun's down. Catching a few fish. Can't complain too much. Okay. Look at this. Perfect. That one felt decent. This one's giving me a tug. Ooh, big crappie? Oh yeah, nice crappie. Come, give me that. Yeah, that was better. That's a nicer one. You chased it right up, nice. Should keep a couple of those, but yeah. Dude, is this jig frigged up or what? The last few fish I pulled up, it wasn't hooked in their mouth very well. For some reason I'm not hooking them very good. Some big crappie down there though. I've pricked like, I don't even know, a handful of them, and they all felt real nice. That was the biggest one yet that I've actually had in the hole. So maybe I'll switch back to this other jig. I don't know if it's like the hook style or what, but I'm missing a lot. That's not the size I was after. It's still crappie though. Man, I wish I could get some of those big ones to bite down there. I just had to dead stick this one. Oh my god, dude. What the hell? Guess I gotta lip them, huh? I just literally had to dead stick that one. I just let it sit there. Grabbed the rod when it went off. I got him. On the lipless. Just like that, on the lipless crankbait, crappie. So, I just caught a crappie on that lipless bait there. I'm gonna toss it back down because there's more down there. He hit it pretty quickly too. I mean, they're acting aggressive. I just can't get him on that little tungsten jig for some reason. Hook's too small, or they're just not eating it right, or something. I mean, these aren't too bad now, man. Got another one. Another crappie. Sick. I'm gonna try these frostbite mini slayers. I'm using this little mini slayer here, made by Frostbite. If you guys don't know, which I don't know how you don't, but Alex Perrick, member of the Guggen Squad, and a couple other guys, Aaron Weeb from Uncut Angling, own this Frostbite company, and they make these things. So I figured I'd try them. I bought them like last year or the year before. And they work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they work. That might be the best one so far. Might be the best one so far. I don't know. We'll find out. Meet me at our spot. This is our spot. Oh, dude, look at that. Look at that. Way down in there. Another one. This is crazy, man. So I guess I should get on the phone more often, because whenever I'm on the phone, I catch a fish. This one was right under the ice. A little bit better fish. Here's one. Not big though. Well, This is the JT Panhandler rod, by the way, guys. You've probably seen me use it in other ice fishing videos. And it's the 24-inch Panhandler JT rod with spring bobber. Oh no, stuck on the transducer here. What's going on? Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a slob. Oh my god. Oh my god. I was just saying it wasn't a good one the whole way up. Look at the size of that one, guys. Alright, buddy. You're free. Here he goes. He was hung up in the transducer there. I think it's time I make some dinner, though, because I am getting a little hungry. Sick. Just finished up, as Joe Holland would say, driving that meal into me. I don't think this one's as big as some of the other ones I've been getting here. I got a couple off camera that were pretty good size, and I just didn't have the camera near me to show you guys, but they're still down there. Just a little guy. Alright guys, so I haven't really caught anything else any bigger than that one anyways. I've been catching fish steady, and there's still fish all over the screen down here. It's just crazy. They're all over the place. It's 10 o'clock at night, so I might try to catch another fish or two, then I'm going to hit the hay, and we'll catch you guys in the morning, and we'll set up some traps. Whoop, rod's going off here. Okay. Oh, wow. Just dead sticking that soft plastic right there. Just got that little guy. Well. Alright, I'm going to bed. We'll see you guys in the morning. Still my bait. Wonder what that was way up high like that. Nothing there, but you can see I left the snowmobile over there by that trap, and that's because it died on me again. Same problem that happened up at Moosehead. Started up in the morning, drove fine. Now I think I let it warm up a little bit. I think something froze up in there, and it's not getting fuel to it. So I'll let it sit there in the sunshine for a while. Hopefully warm things up. It's supposed to get, fairly warm today, so hopefully a little while after we have breakfast and things start warming up, it'll turn on. We can get out of here later, but no big deal. We'll get out. I mean, that'll work. Make a little coffee here too while we're at it. Yeah, pretty slow morning already. Just had that one flag go off. Kind of wish I would have seen what that was, because I had that right under the ice in about 20 feet of water. The snowmobile still won't start. I went out and tried to turn it over. That didn't work, so I'll wait another probably 2 hours, and then I'm gonna probably have to call somebody to tow me back to the ramp. You guys, I'm telling you, I already ordered a new snowmobile for next year, so stay tuned to see what that's gonna be. It's pretty sick, I'll tell you guys that much. Leave your guesses down in the comments below what I ordered for a snowmobile for next year, and let's keep our fingers crossed that I actually get it in time so I can use it next year. All right, let's see if this thing will start. It's been sitting out here facing the sun for an hour or so. Oh, that's a good sound. Yeah, baby. It's frozen up or something. I don't know what's going on to this thing. Sheesh. So the fishing is really slow this morning. But as you saw, the evening bite was pretty dang good. I'm not going to stick around for that. I got somewhere I got to be in a few hours, so I'm going to start packing this stuff up. I got the snowmobile going. I really don't know what the heck's going on with it. I think something just must have been frozen up in there, but so while that's going, I'm going to pack up everything and hopefully haul this stuff back to the truck. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. A little bit of ice camping for you. If you guys like that type of stuff, leave it down in the comments below. I would definitely do more of it, probably next season at this point. But I wanted to get out and do at least one trip overnight this year for you guys. And it turned out pretty good. We got a ton of crappie. I didn't even film half of them that I caught, but I showed you guys some of the better action and the bigger fish that we got. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.